Viewers, breaking news coming in. HAL has received approval from the Cabinet Committee of Security to proceed with the production of 97 LCMK-1A jets, an advanced version of the Tejas fighter jet developed by HAL. These jets aim to modernize the Indian Air Force by replacing the aging MiG-21 fleet. The project marks a significant step in India's indigenous defense manufacturing capabilities, enhancing national security and reducing reliance on foreign technology. So big breaking news there, viewers, which we are tracking on Republic. HAL has received approval from the CCS to proceed with the production. Pranav is joining us on the phone line with more details. Pranav, help us understand what exactly does this mean, because it's a significant development with the production of 97 LCMK-1A jets being given a green signal.
Yes, absolutely. The Light Combat Aircraft, as it is called, that's LCA Tejas, is the indigenously developed fighter jet. And in the recent times where we've seen turmoil with, dependence on U.S. technology, so to say, in light of tariffs, it is a significant development. One, from the point of view of Make in India, because the Prime Minister has been vehemently saying that we need to make in India, and Make in India defense definitely gets a boost because of this. It will be, as you rightly said, replacing the aging MiG-21 fighter jets and help fill the deficit. Remember, the Indian Air Force has a squadron deficit because of the aging aircraft. So the required squadron strength is about 33, and this definitely will help bridge that the deficit that is there, which is about, it is somewhere around 22 to 23 squadrons is what open sources reveal. So the remaining squadrons will definitely be filled using by inducting these aircraft in the Indian Air Force.
Well, also, this is a very, very significant step, as you were talking in, India's indigenous defense manufacturing capabilities. And this is going to be enhancing the national security and also will be reducing our reliance on foreign tech. So what is next in terms of, more such fleets in promoting the Atmanirbhar Bharat?
Well, the dependence on foreign technology, as you can see on the global stage right now, the U.S., which has been one of our allies in the recent past, has been put in a turmoil, in a tumultuous position because of Donald Trump's tariff. Russia has been an all-weather friend, but India's experience with Russian fighter jets, because of sometimes the availability of spares, has been a bit of a question. So yes, a dependence on indigenous aircraft is one of the most important. In fact, the LCA project, which was started in 1983, was delayed during the previous governments, but it's been put on track once again. The Kaveri engine, which actually has been instrumental, there was a delay in that, so there was a decision taken to move to the globally made engine. So the LCA program as such is back on track, and this means that it will replace the MiG-21 fighter jets. So along with the indigenous LCA plus Rafale plus Sukhoi plus MiG-29, which are already in service, the Indian Air Force will definitely be a stronger force and a future-ready force.
Well, absolutely. Thank you for bringing us all the details there at this point in time. And viewers,